Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Fern, and today I am going to be renewing the GHD Glide brush. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, then a warm welcome, and please don't forget to press the subscribe button down below if you are not already subscribed. So today I'm going to be reviewing a really great product that I got bought for my birthday from my boyfriend, and it's a GHD product. It's called the GHD Glide Smoothing Hot Brush. I don't know if any of you have heard of it before, but honestly, using it a few times, I can honestly say it's amazing, especially for my type of hair. I've got quite frizzy hair, where I have obviously got bleach on it. My hair isn't curly, but it's not like straight either. As you can see, it's got quite a wave in it when I leave it, when I wash it and leave it damp, and then obviously it dries naturally. And even if I blow dry it, my hair still does have a natural frizz as well. So I just find this brush is absolutely amazing. Just really quick and easy. Instead of having to get the straighteners out and really straighten my hair, I find this brush does the job perfectly. Now I think it retails at around £140, but honestly it's worth it. And obviously when I opened the box, it literally just comes in a box like this. The brush is inside the box, and that's all that comes with it. It's just literally, it looks like a hairbrush basically. It's quite heavy. You plug it in at the wall. It's really easy to clean as well. Obviously just pick the hairs out and just give it a wipe. And the paddles on it, the brushes, they're all different like sizes, so it can easily like grab the hair. So I don't know if you can see closely on the camera. Some of them go in and some of them like stick out more. And that's, I was reading about it, it's so that the hair can obviously all be grabbed really easily and be smoothed out as well. Plug it in at the mains, and then all you have to do is just hold down the big button for 2 seconds and you hear that really cool noise. And then I just leave it for like a minute to warm up. I'm just going to go through my hair with like a tangle teaser. And I'm just going to, where I've got quite fine hair, I'm literally just going to separate it half up, half down with a scrunchie. Just like, obviously you can do it with a clip as well, that's completely up to you. I'm just going to grab some heat protection spray as well, because I never put any heat product on my hair without any heat protection spray. Today I'm going to be using the Lee Stafford Shine heat protection spray. This gives a really nice glow to my hair, but also protects it from any heat as well. Just going to give that a brush through. So with straighteners, I have Cloud9 hair straighteners, and they are literally amazing. They make my hair like polka dead straight, but it's just nice to make your hair really smooth instead of that really like straight look. And I find this gives you quite a lot of volume and body as well. And obviously the Cloud9s you can curl with this hairbrush you can't. So when it makes another noise again, it is ready. So it's just made the same noise it did at the beginning. And I'm literally just going to pick the brush up and just start brushing through my hair. And as you can see, it's literally already going like straight and so much smoother as well. I just find it so much easier than like straightening your hair in the morning. And for me, like, after getting up early for work and stuff, I just generally don't have the time. Going to do the other side. But yeah, if you have obviously used this product before, then please leave a comment in the comments below and let me know what you think of it, or if you've used any other heat brushes before, and if they're any good. I know that a lot of people at the moment are going on about their GHD Rise, which is, I think, like a more of a curling, a sort of a big sort of wave product. So I'm gonna watch a few videos on that, and as you can see, like the difference, it basically looks like I've straightened my hair, and it's literally like effortlessly as well. Like you literally just brush it and it goes like that. Heat prevention spray, give it a brush. This is so good, it's like one of my favourite products ever. and just really get the bristles in and glide it down your hair. When it says it's like a glide, it really actually is. And I literally, every time I use it, I just pull any like excess hairs out that have come into the brush and give it a wipe over as well. So it maintains like nice and new basically. I don't want to have loads of like crappy hairs in it. But look how nice. I've just done this side as well. The only thing I would say that it doesn't do like straighteners do is like the bottom bits, but I just think that gives you a little bit more volume anyway. The final bit, I would say like my hair is quite sort of fine, but I've got quite a lot of it. So I'd say that if you have a thicker hair type, then maybe like read some more reviews on what other people have said about having thick hair and using this. But honestly, if you've got my sort of hair, I would definitely 100% recommend it. I don't think I've used my straightener since Jamie's bought me this. It gives a really nice like shine to your hair as well, instead of like straighteners making it look like it's been like frazzled. If you wanted to, you could obviously bring the brush up to give you more volume instead of like brushing downwards, to get it under the hair and bring it back through. But I'm just happy obviously with just using it like a hairbrush really, just to smooth my hair out. And this is like, I haven't washed my hair in like 3 days, so this isn't even clean hair. So as you can see, like the results are amazing with this brush. I would 100% recommend it if you have similar hair to me, or if you've got a bit more thicker hair, or if you find that frizziness is a massive problem and you just want something really quick and easy to go over in the morning. It's even good if you're like looking to put your hair up and you don't want that frizz and you just want to go over really quickly with something. Honestly, it's probably the best hair product that I've ever used in my life, and I use Cloud 9 hair straighteners, and I would say that it's better for what it does. It's better than them. Turn your brush off, you literally just press the same button down that you press to turn it on and just leave it for 2 seconds, and it just makes that noise again. Oh, I'll just turn it back on and turn it off. So it's really easy and simple to use. Obviously just clean it like every time you use it, just to keep it maintained nicely. And I think GHD at the moment have a sale, and I think it's 20% off, so I think you can grab one of these for £119 or £118, something like that. But yeah, honestly, give it a go, read more reviews about it, look at more videos. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you've used this brush before, leave a comment below, and if you've used the GHD Rise, then let me know what you think about that, because I'm interested in that as well. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and obviously please watch more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you again soon.